Are you spending a lot of time and money creating video content and uploading it to YouTube, but you're not getting the results that you need? And worse yet, you don't even know what's working and what's being successful for you? Well, I'm gonna help you figure that out in this series coming up. What's going on, marketers? My name's Video Joshua, and I help you grow your business using video. If that's something you're interested in, subscribe to the channel so you know when I upload new content. I've been producing online video content for over 14 years, and the majority of my clients use YouTube to grow their audiences and generate leads to grow their businesses. In fact, I've even consulted for several Fortune 500 companies, teaching them how to develop an audience, create content, and get more leads using YouTube. I'm gonna do a deep dive into Studio Analytics to show you how to navigate it, what metrics you should really focus on, and how to take that data and apply it to your future content so you can start proactively growing your channel or your brand. Let's get started. First of all, huge shout out to my friend and TubeBuddy ambassador, Rob Balasabas, for letting me use his channel during this tutorial so I can show you some data. So the YouTube Analytics homepage does a really nice job of just kind of showing you a snapshot of how your channel's been doing. And we can just see as a snapshot that his views are up, his watch time is up, and he's growing his subscribers. In fact, Rob just passed 1,000 subscribers, so he can actually apply to be in the partner program if he so chooses. You get a snapshot of your top videos in this period. This is always your top 10 by default. An important thing to note is your top videos is conditional to the view that you're filtering by. So if I switch this over to the last 90 days, these top 10 videos will change, and so on and so forth. You also get this nice little card that always does your 10 latest videos, and this is not dependent on how you're filtering it. This is your just last 10 uploads. So Rob's last 10 uploads have been, some live streams to the Creators Corner, his Facebook group. He did a tutorial on screen recordings. He did another live stream, how to make money, YouTube Live and Facebook Live. So you can kind of just click through and see some basic information on the views, the impressions, and the average view duration of all these videos. If you click the See Video Analytics, that dives you down into the video level of the analytics where you're only looking at metrics specific to that video, but we're not gonna go into that right now. You can also hover across these little play buttons. It will give you the title, thumbnail, and publish date, which is really useful data to find. And if you click See More, this is gonna launch you into that advanced mode, which is in a different video that we talk about. The final important thing that you need to look at on the homepage is real-time analytics, and this is actually the easiest way to get to it. So if we click Show More, we will see how Rob's channel's been doing for the last 48 hours and the last 60 minutes. And this is actually updating live in real time. So we can see right now his Restream to Facebook tutorial, which he did back in June, is actually getting a lot of real-time views in the last 48 hours because a lot of people are trying to figure out how to live stream and also live stream to multiple platforms. And you can kind of just look at each one of these videos. Now, one of the amazing things about Studio Analytics compared to the classic analytics is the UI is so much better. So if you hover over anything, you'll always get a card so you can kind of see when this video was published, the full title, you can get the duration, you can see the thumbnail, and you always have the option to view the video analytics specific to that video or watch it on YouTube if you want to. But I'm gonna go up here and just close out of that. One last feature to note that takes a little bit of time to get used is once you're in the analytics interface, your search, this is not YouTube search. This is in fact search across the channel, and this is specific to yours. So a lot of times I'll be in this and I'll want to look up like a Peter McKinnon video or something like that. Obviously that's not on my channel, but if I wanted to see what all I've done about live streaming, so these are obviously all of his live stream videos. And if there were more than 5, there'd be another button here that says See More, and that will open up another screen and give you all the videos that have to do with live stream. Now, YouTube is looking at your titles and your tags to find this data. So this is where metadata becomes important. YouTube has done a phenomenal job at overhauling the overview screen and making it way more intuitive. And even if you really don't care about looking at your data, you can at least look at this screen once a month to see overall how your channel's growing from a subscriber and a watch time perspective, and how your most recent content is performing compared to your previous videos. If you really want to figure out how viewers are searching and discovering your content, click the video over here about the Reach tab. This is where I dive down into your traffic sources so we can figure out how YouTube's promoting your channel and how we can optimize for that. Until next time, keep creating video.